What is up, guys? It is me, DMCDP, and if you don't know me, you may shop off your weenie. Today we're playing Will You Press the Button? Requested by Peachy Vlogs. I'm not talking with John Voorhees because he's probably sleeping right now, and he already answered my questions while I was texting to him. So yeah, I'm gonna just show it to you. I'm gonna just edit it for a while. Give me a sec. I'm gonna edit this. So yeah. Here was conversation. We were like, sup, hey, long time no talk. True. So how's everything? The one in white is John Voorhees. Good. How about you? Cool. Because he said, by the way, I saw your video. Good. He had a smiley face. I wanted to do the video fast. I just really wanna post something in my birthday. He was like, nah, take your time. I want it to be for your birthday. Like what? We film it the exact day? Yeah. Thanks. Just read it. AF is like as fuck. Yeah, and then at my birthday, I was like, John, ready to film? I don't know. Okay. So yeah, let's play. And here we go. Okay, let's check. What's the first thing? Your parents aren't lame, but they won't find it awkward talking about sexual things, e.g. their fetishes. What? That'd be pretty funny. I'll press it. Because that won't be lame for me. So yeah. Okay, I was checking if my mom didn't wake up. I'm a bit of a pussy. So yeah. 40% did not. 53 did. Good. This is so slow. Okay. Your lower body will be eaten by carnivorous llamas. You can control the llamas. No. No. I will not. How much percentage? 40% did it. 60 did not. Good. Heh, those Trump pictures though. You get unlimited money. You can't have kids. Heck yeah. Like before I do it, I like do thingy, and then like my blood keeps on. Yeah. So yeah. 20%, 27% did not. They're probably real rich people playing this, and or probably they're just Catholics. But it's good. Good. 73% is good. What? Ew, no. Wait. I'm 14. So yeah, just by a time. Sure. Why not? Dope. Those are also playing judge. Let's put good, cause why not? My dog. He's being such a crybaby. Huckleberry. You get to make anything you want a reality. You can't help anyone or be famous. Sure, why not? I'm not famous at all. Dreaming reality. Um, let's do the last one because I don't want to. 75% did it. 25% did not. Sure. Last one. You will still age at the normal rate. And sure. Okay. Okay. Just the last one. Last one. Okay. Good. Because people actually don't want to get raw for a reason. Heck yeah. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and especially subscribe. That's the reason I'm doing videos. Subscribe. Yeah, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you send this to your friends. And remember, guys, game on.